Are you or someone you know trying to lose weight and get in better shape? If the answer is yes, you're going to want to hear about this powerful tool. People who use fast fitness foods not only lose more weight than those who don't, but they're twice as likely to keep the weight off. Now that might sound like a strong statement, but in study after study, it proves to be accurate. And what many people don't realize is fast fitness foods can also help you save money. That's right, your monthly grocery bill ends up being a lot less. So the question you might have is, what are fast fitness foods? In the research, the term meal replacements is used to describe prepackaged foods, bars, and protein-rich shakes. Meal replacements have been used for years to help people lose weight, recover from exercise, improve strength and endurance, and achieve many other health benefits. Here at DotFit, we produce bars, protein-rich shake formulas, and more to help our athletes, trainers, and other customers achieve their health, fitness, and weight loss goals. But there's so much more than meal replacements. They're fast fitness foods. Now, why the distinction? Our team of sports nutritionists and registered dietitians like myself always recommend that our customers, including elite athletes, eat traditional whole food meals with just the right amount of protein, fat, and carbohydrates consumed at the right time before and after workouts. But we also know that even our most elite athletes and competitors can't always find the time to cook and prep every meal, especially when eating more than 2 or 3 times a day. As we all get busy with our careers, parenting, and other obligations, finding the time to eat right for your goal becomes even more difficult. Fast fitness foods contain the right ingredients in the right amounts that align with your health and fitness goals, so you don't have to buy traditional drive-through fast foods or vending machine snacks. And fast fitness foods are not supplements. They're healthy foods for fitness people and those trying to get fit. Here are some of the reasons why fast fitness foods have been used to help people lose weight and keep it off. In today's world of convenience, we simply can't eat as many calories as our ancestors because we don't move as much as they had to. We have to consume fewer calories than we'd like in order to control a healthy body weight. The result of controlling our weight is oftentimes hunger, cravings, along with low energy, all of which get in the way of managing our waistlines. When you incorporate fast fitness foods as part of your healthy eating routine by substituting 1 or 2 meals or snacks a day, you can maintain high energy levels and feel satisfied while still losing weight. You don't have to take our word for it. Let's use scientific research to guide us. In several different studies using 2 groups, both on the same low-calorie diet, the groups using fast fitness foods lost twice as much weight as the other groups. More importantly, after a year, the groups using fast fitness foods kept the weight off, and in most cases lost a little more weight. By contrast, the groups that didn't use fast fitness foods had gained nearly all the weight back. Why do fast fitness foods work so well? Well, people generally try to finish the meals that are on their plates. Portion sizes have a huge impact on a person's total calorie intake, and we know people tend to eat with their eyes and not their stomachs. Overwhelming evidence validates that the smaller the portions, the fewer daily calories consumed, and vice versa. When you consume a prepackaged Dot bar or make a delicious protein-rich shake and make it to your specifications, it has a predetermined amount of calories, carbs, fat, and protein. And when it's gone, it's gone. No overeating. But fast fitness foods aren't just for people with weight loss goals. If you're gaining muscle, improving your sports performance or endurance, or just want to be more healthy, fast fitness foods can help you too. Here are 4 ways fast fitness foods can be incorporated into your daily life to make sure you achieve any of your health, weight loss, fitness, or performance goals. Number 1, pre and post workouts. Once it was discovered how the body effectively utilizes protein, fat, and carbohydrates, we were able to formulate the perfect food to optimize workouts, performance, and muscle recovery. We simply measure the perfect amount of each nutrient needed to produce our desired outcome and bake it into a quick digestible form. We have the perfect pre and post workout food. We can even add a little creatine into our recipe to assist in gaining muscle and increasing strength and power. Number 2, a healthy dessert. It sounds like an oxymoron, right? Desserts aren't supposed to be healthy. They're just supposed to taste great, right? The trouble is, desserts such as ice cream and cookies are typically low in volume and nutrients, but super high in calories and extremely high in flavor. Because of the latter, we are often tempted to eat more than we should. Have you ever said to yourself, I can't believe I ate that much? The great news is modern nutrition science allows us to create delicious flavors of bars, dot sticks, cookies, and other products that are low calorie and contain a healthful amount of other nutrients. And number 3, you're on the run. Missing meals leads to poor food choices. When we're starving because we haven't eaten all day, we often choose high calorie, high fat snacks like chips, candy bars, ice cream, etc. Well, when you have a healthy snack available at all times, it can prevent you from making a poor choice and it can hold you over to the next meal. This helps prevent overeating, making you even closer to your weight loss goals. Number 4, you want to save money on your grocery bill. If you add 2 healthy fast fitness foods to your daily routine, your cost would equal around $3 to $4 a day. And that's about 40 to 50 grams of high quality protein that contributes to your daily needs. Compare that to today's prices for protein such as beef, poultry, seafood, eggs, etc. And mindful, you still have to cook those sources while the fast fitness foods are ready to go. The bottom line is you'll save money on your grocery bill, and it's a lot less expensive than unhealthier alternative fast food options. So remember, you can use the DotFit fast fitness foods as meals and snacks to fill the gaps and replace meals as necessary. Stick to this plan and you'll be where you want, but without the hardship of traditional dieting.